What's up, Jazz Babes? This is your girl JazzBae, and I am back with a video. This is my first YouTube video, and y'all, I'm so excited. But I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this video and just go ahead and start carving out my eyebrows and filling them in. The concealer I'm using to carve out under my eyebrows is e.l.f. in the shade Deep Chestnut, and I'm going to put that all over my lid as well and blend that out. Next, I'm going to take this concealer, and the reason why I took the Juvias Place one is because this concealer melts into my skin. It's so natural. You will want to use a natural color or concealer on top of your eyebrows so you won't have a halo effect. Next, I'm just going to take the same brand e.l.f. concealer, and this concealer is just the white concealer, and I'm just placing that all on my eyelids and blending that out and prepping for eyeshadow. So for this look, I actually went into the palette Morphe 350 Natural Glow, and I took the color Gossip and placed that all over my lid, just built that up and actually created a line for my cut crease. First, I went in with the shade called Power, and all of these shades are in the same palette that I'm using, but I went in with the shade called Power, and I put that in my crease just to put some definition in there, so when I cut my crease, it'll look snatched, honey, snatched. Now, after you've done blended your eyeshadows out, you want to go ahead and cut your crease. Now, I will say I will upload a video going into detail on how I cut my crease, because baby, cutting your crease is very difficult and you have to have a steady hand. But I will be uploading that video, so if you don't want to miss it, just go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell, and when I upload it, you'll be notified. Once you have it all carved out, you want to just go ahead and take a fluffy brush and just go ahead and pat on top of it, just to get it into your skin, to pattern it out dry, because you don't want to put your eyeshadow all on that concealer. It's not gonna look right. So just pat it out first before you put any type of eyeshadow on your concealer. So I went into the same palette, the Morphe 350 Natural Glow palette, and I took the Lights of the Party and placed that all over my lid. Next, I ended up going back into the, which one did, oh yeah, Gossip, and just started blending out that harsh line, and then I'm also go back into Power and blend out that line too. Once you're done with that, just go ahead and use the same brush that you use Gossip with and just blend out everything. And then also, you see how like I have these little lines that came up from cutting my crease. You can go back in with Power and just clean up the lines. So my phone actually died, but I'm back and I have lashes on. The person that I got these lashes from is my sister. I will have her link in the description box below. Go to her site and stock up because her lashes are bomb. Now for foundation, I'm actually going to use the concealer stick, of course, and I'm just going to put that all over my face and blend that out. To conceal under my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and use the e.l.f. concealer in shade Deep Chestnut, and then to contour, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia palette and use the shade Chocolate. I blend out my contour first because I like to have my concealer set into my skin first. So I don't know, I just feel like it looks better when I let my concealer set first. So I do blend out my contour first, and then I blend out my concealer under my eyes. So I'm gonna set everything I concealed using my Morphe setting powder, and I absolutely love this powder. Like, it keeps everything in place, and I have oily skin, so this holds everything in. I'm going to take that shade Power and put that under my eyelid. Then I'm going to blend my face together using the Sephora foundation powder in Deep 72. And then I'm going to go ahead and highlight everywhere. But before I highlight, I'm going to spray my face to set it, because when you do that, your highlight just seems to pop more. You get what I'm saying? So the highlight I ended up using was the same as I put on my eyelid, which was the Light of the Party. And I'm just going to place that everywhere. Then next, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips, which I am using a brown lip pencil that I got from the beauty supply store. And then I'm gonna go ahead with my Morphe lipstick called True Story and place that in the middle and just blend it. I didn't show in this video that I put lip gloss on, but I ended up putting lip gloss on after this video. So that wraps up this video, y'all. I hope y'all really enjoyed this video, and I hope y'all give this video a thumbs up. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe and comment below if you have any questions, or just comment below if you support your girl, you know. And if there's anything y'all want to see, just let me know. And yeah, peace.